17 cookies.
Yay!
Do it again.
What?
Because it's better with her because she has a cute little...
Do the whole thing again.
It's being stuck inside getting you down. Let's make some quarantine cookies. Yay!
Take the jar, open it, smell it. Don't sneeze. Now close the jar and do a happy dance because chocolate. Here are your ingredients. Everything in the jar. 1.5 sticks of butter. 1.5 sticks of butter is the same thing as 3/4 cups of butter. We need to get the butter softened. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we need 1 egg. Here are the tools you need. 1 small microwave-safe bowl or other container. This is for softening the butter. If you have butter out the fridge that's already soft, then you don't need a small bowl. 1 large mixing bowl. If you're using a KitchenAid, its bowl will be your bowl for making these cookies. 1 measuring teaspoon. A hand mixer or whisk or KitchenAid type mixer called a stand mixer. A baking pan. A cooling rack. Instructions. First, have a grown-up preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It will get hot while you're making the batter. The batter is what you get when you mix it all together. Second, if you don't have softened butter, then take the cold butter, put it in a microwave-safe container, and put it in the microwave for 8 seconds. Then flip it over and put it in for another 8 seconds. It might be soft enough now. If it's still too hard, flip it halfway over and turn it on for another 8 seconds. Third, take the mixing bowl and break the egg so everything inside falls into the bowl, but not any shell. If any shell falls in, get the shell out and throw out the shell without touching anything else. Wash your hands. Now dry your hands. Fourth, add vanilla in the butter to the egg. Mix it all together with the hand mixer until it's creamed, which is where everything is perfectly mixed together. It might look very smooth. Fifth, dump the jar into the smooth mixer you made. Use a hand mixer, or a whisk. The whisk will take more work. Like the KitchenAid will be the easiest of all. 6. Drop big spoonfuls on a baking sheet. Measure 2 inches of space, about 4 fingers, on the baking sheet. Put another spoonful till you're all out, always keeping them 2 inches apart. 7th, we need to put them in the oven. Have a grown-up help you. After you close the oven, put on a timer for 10 minutes. If you want, you can leave them in for another 1 or 2 minutes. 8th, do a happy cookie dance. It's more fun if your oven has a light that lets you see the cookies cook while you're dancing. Do you have any music that could help the dancing even better? 9th, when the timer runs out and if the cookies are done, then have have a grown-up help you. Set a timer for 4 minutes like me and watch the cookies, but don't touch them yet. They're really still too hot. Work together with an adult to use a spatula to take the hot cookies off the pan and put them onto a cooling rack. 11. The hardest part. Wait 10 minutes for them to get cool enough to eat. 12. Eat some cookies! 13. Send a photo of you eating the cookie.
Thanks for making cookies with us.
Thanks for making cookies with us.